how to make audio public on Roblox. So in order to make your audio public on Roblox, firstly, go to roblox.com in your browser and log in with your username and password. And after that, go to create, and after that, go to development items, go to audio, and scroll it down and click on upload asset, and click your asset type to audio, and click on upload, and select your audio file. And while uploading the audio, make sure that the audio is less than 7 minutes and the maximum size is 20 MB, and the format should be in .mp3 or .ogg. And after that, click on upload and select upload. You can even write description here, and here you can see the file has been uploaded. And after this, just go to the three dots icon and click on open assets details. Click on that three dots icon again and click on configure asset. And after this, here you can see the asset is private, and I do not have the permission, I do not have this option to go to public yet. It will be available after some times, and after that click on public and click on save changes, and the audio file will be public.